Here's how to do it step by step in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This lets you send the same message to multiple people without them seeing each other or replying in a group chat. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the new message icon in the top right corner. In the To field, add all the contacts you want to message. Separate each contact with a comma. To make sure this is not a group message, go to Settings, then tap Messages and turn off group messaging before sending. Type your message and tap Send. Each person receives it as an individual text. You can also use the Shortcuts app to send the same message to multiple contacts, automatically, one by one. Replies will come back as separate conversations. Recipients will never know others received the same message. If your message still sends as a group, make sure group messaging is fully turned off and iMessage is enabled. This is perfect for announcements, reminders, or business messages. And that's it. That's how to send a mass text on iPhone without a group message. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.